Guys, make an attempt here to fix the roof. It has a small leak. Put up the ladder, and then we're gonna secure it. Today is kind of like a windy day. We're gonna try this product here. It's rubberized cement. I say I'll use that to patch the roof with a mesh tape. Let's take a look at this. So this is the middle ridge, and we just put a layer of rubberized cement and put the mesh over it, and we're just pressing it down right about now. And then we're going to apply another layer of the rubber cement over the mesh, and this will seal any cracks that's on the roof. We're walking on the roof now, looking to see if we can find any kind of cracks. And as you can see here, we have a lot of cracks. So this part here was done without the mesh, but we have a new asphalt on it. But this job was really a patch job. So later on we might do back the roof. But for now, you can just patch it. So over on these spots here, we're going to apply the tape. We're going to put, just like how we did on the wall, we're going to put the rubberized cement first, and then put the mesh tape, and then cover it over with another layer of rubberized cement. So I have my knee pads there to protect my knees, and the roof is a little bit of an angle. So be careful up there when you're walking.